Racket, the easiest to install, strongest, heavy-duty racking system around. Now rated up to 1,000 kilograms per shelf. No nuts or bolts needed, just the system components and a rubber mallet. Our uprights come in 3 heights and beams in 4 lengths. We have 2 types of shelves, wire and MDF, and both come in 2 sizes. Measure up your space, then choose your beams and uprights. Stand your uprights up first and then insert the beams front and back. Tap the ends of each beam into place with your mallet to ensure the beams are secure. Support braces can be added to all beam lengths, enabling you to reach the maximum weight rating. Simply insert your shelves between the beams, dropping them into position from above. Safety pins are essential to stop beams lifting. By using additional beams, you can extend your already assembled unit using the same double-slotted uprights. Racket is the strongest and most robust racking system around. Imagine, each beam is tested and rated to a maximum of 1,000 kilograms. That's an incredible 50 bags of cement per shelf. The Racket system comes with several accessories. Racket is also available in a 400 kilogram rated system. Now exclusively available at Bunnings Warehouse.